Hello and welcome. This presentation is an introduction to the King Bankruptcy Academy Paralegal Training Program scheduled for completion August 2010. The King Bankruptcy Academy is a respected source of reliable bankruptcy education materials and resources and is proud to now offer a paralegal training program on the basics of bankruptcy law and procedure, including practical tools and information for daily use. Bankruptcy filings are at historic levels and continue to rise. Between 2007 and 2010, Consumer Chapter 7 filings nearly tripled, and Chapter 13 filings nearly doubled. Consumer bankruptcy attorneys everywhere are scrambling to manage the increased caseload. Record numbers of existing attorneys are expanding their practice areas to include bankruptcy, and more new attorneys are diving into the field exclusively. There has never been a greater need for trained paralegals and other support staff than now. The U.S. Department of Labor Bureau of Labor Statistics agrees. They report much faster than average employment growth for paralegals in certain practice areas, including bankruptcy, with the best employment opportunities going to trained paralegals. By 2018, paralegal jobs are projected to increase by nearly 30%. Presently, average paralegal earnings are reported just under $50,000, with the top 10% in the field earning in excess of $70,000 a year. Training and education are huge contributing factors to achieving higher earning levels. In an effort to meet the demand, the King Bankruptcy Academy has developed a paralegal training program that assists the paralegal by laying a proper foundation that first introduces the basics of consumer bankruptcy law and procedure. Practical training follows on the paralegal's role, case management tools and techniques, and the paralegal's responsibilities and ethical obligations. The program is a well-rounded course of study for the consumer bankruptcy paralegal and the only one of its kind to incorporate bankruptcy law and procedure. There are 12 hours of interactive video instruction, making attendance convenient for the busy paralegal, virtual bankruptcy assistant, or petition preparer. Each class is followed by an online test that must be satisfactorily passed in order to earn a Bankruptcy Academy Paralegal Training Certificate of Completion. Course content is based on Morgan King's 40 years of practicing consumer law, writing and teaching on numerous legal topics, and his well-known treatise, Fundamentals of Consumer Bankruptcy Law and Practice. Assisting Mr. King is Jeannie Lynch, who offers the perspective of an experienced and knowledgeable practicing bankruptcy paralegal. The video courses are accompanied by course outlines, checklists, tools, forms, links, and other guidance and miscellaneous source materials. A specific course outline includes Part 1, Legal Concepts and Vocabulary, Basic Concepts of Chapter 7, Initial Interview and Case Assessment, Case Intake, Attorney's Due Diligence, the Median Income Test, the Means Test and Presumption of Abuse, the Disclosure Statements, the Attorney's Pre-Filing Review, Filing the Case, the Automatic Stay, the Post-Petition Calendar, the Meeting of Creditors, the Financial Management Course, and Final Discharge in Chapter 7. Part 2 introduces file management and the role of the paralegal, including the completion of forms, using checklists and other tools, and the post-petition calendar. Part 3 introduces Chapter 13, including legal concepts, disposable income in the Chapter 13 plan, and file management and the paralegal role. Part 4, Office Management and Technology, introduces systems for forms filing, time and billing, and calendaring. Part 5 closes with the rights and responsibilities of the paralegal, including confidentiality, ethics, and the unauthorized practice of law. Exams follow each class or session and may be taken or not taken in the student's discretion. Exams generally include 10 to 15 course-specific questions and are scored personally by Mr. King, who advises students of their scores by email. Satisfactory completion of all exams earns the student a Bankruptcy Academy Paralegal Training Certificate of Completion. The King Bankruptcy Academy is a professional, respected, and trusted source for bankruptcy paralegal training. Morgan King has been practicing law and writing and teaching on legal topics since 1971 and is a nationally recognized bankruptcy expert. He's authored practice desk books on Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 Law and Practice, Attorney's Fees, and Ethics in Consumer Bankruptcy Cases, and his book on discharging taxes is used by federal district courts, bankruptcy judges, IRS Special Procedures Offices, bankruptcy trustees and lawyers, and enrolled agents. Jeannie Lynch is a certified senior paralegal with over 30 years combined substantive experience in the areas of consumer bankruptcy, California family law, civil litigation, and commercial real estate. She owns and operates Lynch Legal Support, a freelance paralegal service supporting consumer bankruptcy attorneys across the nation. The keys to any successful paralegal career lie in foundation and continuing education. The King Bankruptcy Academy Paralegal Training Program will help lay that foundation and encourages all legal professionals to supplement training with an active and ongoing continuing education agenda. The Academy also offers an expanded 32-hour certification course, several topic-specific short courses, and other library materials, and encourages paralegals to seek out additional reliable sources of training and education to advance knowledge and career opportunities. There are several enrollment fee options, all of which include access to videos and all materials, and all of which lead to a paralegal training certificate of completion. Individuals may enroll at a fee of $5.99. Law firm or group discounts allow an entire office to enroll at a single group rate of $7.99. Bankruptcy Academy members and members of the National Society of Virtual Bankruptcy Assistants enjoy preferred price enrollment of $4.59. Other benefits of enrollment include a 50% discount on the purchase of Morgan King's Fundamentals of Consumer Bankruptcy Law and Practice, invitations to monthly live teleconferences to answer questions and discuss issues, and a future potential for internships as the program develops. Graduates will be listed on the Academy Paralegal website and will be notified of future discounts and offerings as they become available. The successful consumer bankruptcy paralegal or other support professional embraces the challenge presented by the field and enthusiastically absorbs all sources of education, skills, and expertise available. A certificate of completion from the King Bankruptcy Paralegal Training Program is a professional and respected step in the advancement of any bankruptcy paralegal career. Still have questions? Visit the program at www.academyparalegals.com or send emails to morgan@morganking.com or Jeannie@lynchlegalsupport.com. We look forward to hearing from you.